to share some tips on how to make veggie noodles. This is a really fun way to eat more vegetables, especially for picky eaters or kids, because when you spiralize veggies, they kind of feel like spaghetti, so it's obviously more fun to eat. So you can find these in health food stores or even some regular grocery stores, but they usually only have zucchini. With this, you can use really anything that will fit in the machine, such as broccoli stems, beets, sweet potatoes, carrots. You have a whole variety of things you can stick in here. But I'm going to use zucchini. So first step is you want to make sure the sides are flat, and then this is too long, so I'm going to just cut this in half. And I've used a bunch of different spiralizers over the years, and I've broken a lot of them, so learn from my mistakes. And if you are getting one, I would suggest getting one that's top down like this instead of the vertical ones, because this is just a lot easier. You can use gravity to help you, and you're not fighting gravity with those sideways ones because it tends to fall out a lot. So that said, use always the wider side of the fruit or vegetable. You want to put that in the top in the prongs and then press it in. There's a little knob on the bottom here, and then that's it. You just press down and spin. Get a little arm workout, get the hips moving, you know, this could be like a little kitchen workout. And that's it. This little piece you can eat that's left, and there you go. You have these beautiful spiralized noodles. There's so many different ways you can cook them. I personally prefer them just a little bit warm, and I hate soggy noodles. That's like the worst. So only cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes in a dry pan or with a little tiny bit of oil. If you cook them longer than that, they're gonna release all their water. They're gonna become really soggy, and then your sauce is not gonna stick to them. So 2 to 3 minutes is the key time for cooking zucchini noodles. Other noodles like broccoli stems that are a little bit more tough and harder, those you'll have to cook a little bit longer, but just watch and make sure that you're not letting your veggie release too much water, because then they'll become mushy. So that's my tip of the day. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you try some veggie noodles soon.